The best way to start is at the end, and I can't teach you what I haven't done myself, so here's what I've actually done. My faceless content on different social media platforms used to make over $250,000 a month, but that was way too complicated. Too much complexity, too much headache, and too little free time. So we scaled back to about $100,000 a month, and life is good again. And let me actually show you some of the social media accounts that I run. So this one over here is doing about $3,000 a month, that's about $100 a day on average, and the lifetime of this account is about $293,000. Then I also have this one that is doing only about $700 a month, but the lifetime of this account is about $91,000. Then I also have this one over here that is doing about $13,000 every 30 days. It's doing about $400 to $500 a day, and the lifetime of this account is about $638,000. Then I also have this one over here that is doing about $4,000 a month. Then I also have this one that unfortunately only did $82,000 this month, but the lifetime of this account is $162,000. Now, besides that, I also do affiliate marketing thanks to these social media accounts that are driving me free traffic, and with this platform, I did about $500,000. So let me reload the page so that you can see that this is not a screenshot or anything like that. So this is $500 with this one single affiliate network. Then we also have digital products, and with digital products, I'm doing a few $1,000s a day. This month in January, so far, we did about $96,000, and by the end of January, it should be about $100,000 just from this one single store. And this allowed me to travel around the world, live on tropical islands of Maldives, drive supercars in Dubai, do yoga in Bali, drink wine in a castle in France, ride a camel in Egypt, buy an apartment in Hollywood, and so much more. But it also allowed me to retire my parents and take my mom on vacation every month. This is us in Dubai. I bought her some gifts and a car. So how did I do all of this? Well, I did all of this thanks to my autopilot unicorn business that continues to make between $80,000 and $120,000 every single month, even when I'm not actively working. And here's a full step-by-step breakdown on how to actually do this. Step number one is to figure out the wrong thing to do. You see, when I was starting out, I was a broke teenager from Eastern Europe with broken English. So the last thing I needed was some business that requires large investments, tech experience, building a website, or being in front of the camera. So if you're a complete beginner, you have to choose a business model where you don't have to invest money, where you don't have to deal with physical products and inventory, building websites, or being in front of the camera. For example, imagine if I were to do dropshipping. I would have to invest thousands of dollars in building the website or running ads, testing products. Then I would have to deal with shipping from China and suppliers and all those moving parts to potentially make some profits. It's ridiculous and it's not made for beginners. So step number one is to choose the right business model. The best online business to start any time of the year is always going to be the faceless content creation business. Why? Because you don't need to show your face on camera. You don't need to record any videos. You can do it from anywhere in the world. You don't need to invest any money. You don't need clients. Complete beginners are making $8,000 to $12,000 a month. You don't even need to sell any products to make money. You don't need a website. You don't need any tech skills or previous experience. In fact, Matthew, who is one of our clients, used to work for UPS and is now making up to $7,000 a month from home. And Estrella made over $4,000 in 3 days with her faceless TikTok account. So how does it work, and how are faceless social media accounts making me $80,000 to $120,000 a month? Well, it's actually quite simple. First, you need to choose a platform where you want to post content. Some people are using Pinterest, some are using Twitter, some YouTube, Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and so on. Once you choose a platform where you want to make money, you would have to create faceless content. You can do this by leveraging AI tools or inexpensive freelancers from platforms like Fiverr and Upwork. Let's say, for example, I chose YouTube as a platform. Every YouTube video consists of a video idea, script, narration, video editing, and thumbnail image. I can find video ideas by looking into other channels in my industry, see what's working for them, and make my own version. I can write scripts with ChatGPT, which is a free AI tool. I can then generate a voiceover with 11 Labs. Each narration or voiceover costs me about $2 and is completely done by AI, so I don't have to record anything if I don't want to. Then I can just tell either InVideo AI to edit my entire video automatically or just use some free tool like CapCut. And finally, just make a thumbnail picture for free in Canva. Okay, but how do you actually make money from this? Well, there are several options. First, you can make money from ad revenue share depending on the platform you choose, and that's exactly how this member of the Online Business Club made over $12,000 last month. For example, Twitter, TikTok, and YouTube would allow you to make money just from the views you're getting. I get paid about $15 per 1,000 views on my YouTube videos, and Alessia from Online Business Club makes about $2 per 1,000 views on TikTok. That way, you can make money without even selling anything. But to get to $10,000 a month way faster, I recommend adding more income streams. So the second way to make money from your faceless content is with affiliate marketing. This girl, Evelyn, makes an extra $3,000 a week just by adding affiliate links to her faceless Instagram reels. And if you don't know what affiliate marketing is, it's essentially a way of making money without selling your own products. Instead, you would just find a company that already has a product, you copy your referral link, share it, and when someone buys a product from your link, you would earn affiliate commission. You don't have to have an inventory, you don't have to invest in building or delivering the product, you don't need your own website or anything like that. Amazon, for example, has an affiliate program and they pay 10% for every product someone buys after using your affiliate link. Besides affiliate marketing, you can also make money from brand deals and digital products, but this adds more complexity and I wouldn't do it unless you're already making over $10,000 a month. So now that you understand how this $80,000 a month system works, there are two different options. You can take what you've learned today and do everything on your own, and there's nothing wrong with that. It would just take a lot of time and probably cost a lot of money, and for a long time you would be missing out on thousands of dollars that could have otherwise been made if you knew the right things from the start. So the second option is to do it with us. If you click the button below this video, you can apply to become a member of the Online Business Club, the same community where all of those complete beginners and 600 more have gone from zero to thousands of dollars a week by following the same blueprint. Online Business Club is a place where you can get step-by-step training programs and learn everything from faceless YouTube automation, affiliate marketing, Instagram Reels, and how to make $8,000 to $12,000 a month, all the way to real-life business lessons from millionaires. We also have monthly giveaways worth up to $8,000 a month. Verena won $1,000 this month, Jordan won a MacBook, and Isidora won a trip to Maldives for two, all expenses paid. Besides that, this is a place where you can network with business owners from around the world and learn things that you couldn't otherwise learn anywhere else. What would otherwise take 12 months to learn and thousands of dollars in costly mistakes, you can now learn instantly and apply right away. And since our mentors and coaches are constantly updating and upgrading the classroom with step-by-step training programs covering all possible online business models, you would never have to pay for any courses or coaching programs ever again. There are no ongoing costs, upsells, or hidden fees. We like to keep it simple. And if you at any point decide that this isn't for you, we offer a 100% money back guarantee. But I'm sure that wouldn't happen, as this is the exact same step-by-step training program that is taking complete beginners from zero to making tens of thousands of dollars a month. And all of that sounds great, but there is one problem. I don't want to share my $100,000 a month secrets with everyone, and we wouldn't let anyone join this community. So that's why Online Business Club will either be closing very soon or we will increase the price by almost 100 times. So before that happens, feel free to apply by clicking the button below this video, and I will see you on the inside.